Well, smells like gas.
Well, there's a million things wrong with that. Where do you even begin? Just hire someone, bud. Hire someone that knows what they're doing to do it.
My wife seen that? The whole house will be coming down.
Hi everyone, my name's Benjamin.
My name is Cuong.
Hi, I'm Jacob.
Hi, it's Tony again. We're gonna watch some more videos.
Okay, that's the gas detector meter.
So he's got a combustible gas detector. Whoa! Well, that's if that's not an experiment in a shop or developing a prototype or something, if that's in a person's home, that is terrible.
Well, smells like gas.
Yeah, I mean, it only takes a few seconds to do a quick soap and water test if you don't have a gas analyzer on site.
You've seen homeowners think they know exactly what they're doing. Maybe they don't always know what they're doing.
When the homeowner turned into a HVAC DIY guy, the drain comes out of the unit through this wall, punches through the box, in and around the corner,
Oh yeah,
in the closet,
in the closet. Oh, out
comes
the
out
closet.
here, goes back into another closet and comes out there. Now we made it to the exterior.
Wow, we're unique
The
way.
back side of the first 90,
90-degree
back into the
My
room,
goodness.
and now we came through the next closet and back out. Man,
Why would they think
what
that
a
even
way
will
to
work?
run the drain.
I mean, I don't know the layout of the house, but I assume there probably would have been a much easier way to do that.
Unique though. Very interesting.
I don't know how much time you would have spent doing it wrong, and then you drywalled around it.
Why would you even run through the hassle of going through all these little nooks and crannies? Never heard of a condensate pump before? Pump it out, get it into another drain somewhere.
Is that the compressor falling down out underneath it?
Oh my.
Oh my god. That is crazy. Oh my god.
Sorry, I gotta get closer.
Look like it's a commercial building. It look like something like 5 tons. It's not even a small unit.
No, just no. Please no.
I mean, people mount ACs all the time on the side of buildings and walls. There's nothing wrong with that if you do it correctly, but just having a compressor hanging off the bottom of it, I don't think I've seen that one before.
Oh my god.
Oh, a multi-dwelling home.
How they anchored those to begin with.
At least the rain will always clean the coil.
No way. Get out of here. Could not be like that.
They might be coming back later. It might just be they're coming back after lunch to support them and set it up properly. Give them a few minutes to get her done.
All right, we got another picture, which I'm sure you're gonna enjoy thoroughly.
Beautiful, very symmetrical.
Oh no.
Oh.
My wife seen that? The whole house will be coming down.
I hope whoever did that was at least had a stern talking to.
You know, the designer or the installer was trying to be more symmetrical with the room overall instead of centering it into the fireplace. And there are great ways to do that where you can have non-symmetrical installations.
Measure twice, cut once, man. It's not done right.
Interesting fireplace that was found.
Just a reminder to have your gas appliances serviced regularly. This big crack was found on a routine service and it is now locked out and requires replacement. Pretty crummy, but I'm really glad that we found it.
Oh, yeah, I'm really glad you found it too.
That's not a crack, that's a implosion.
Yeah, they're 100% right. Checking your appliances yearly is critical.
Your appliance getting older, it's probably a smarter move to get that regular yearly maintained. It's always save you a bundle.
Very serious, could get CO poisoning, so something that everyone should consider doing annual maintenance.
Good catch, bad install. Make sure that it's safe before you put it in, man. That's silly and insane.
All right, here we go.
Brought to you, recess. Can you manage it?
Something back there?
Oh, it was a drill. Someone left their drill in there. Oh, okay. Well, that's better than a poorly installed fireplace. I thought it was the fireplace at first.
What the heck? Oop!
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Keep track of your tools.
I've had reports of smells on the top of fireplaces, and it turns out that an installer left their ham sandwich on top of the appliance.
Finishers too. Should have known that.
If you have the opportunity to go back and do one final inspection before everything's closed in, it's always a good idea to do that as well, because things can always happen after you leave.
Make sure you clean up after yourselves. Jeez.
So, you know what? I'm not the expert, but if I would install any professional appliance, I would hire a professional and get the right crew to go in to do the right job.
You know, we all make mistakes. Not everyone knows everything, but if you don't know what to do, reach out, find someone that knows what to do, or hire a professional. In the end, it's probably cheaper for you to pay someone to at least tell you or do something properly than to end up suffering the consequences of failure or mistakes. So be safe and work smart.